the channel. Today is a beautiful, crisp fall day. Up here in New England, during the fall, it's usually pretty windy and rainy, and we got a mixture of both today. Ever since we rebuilt the tiny house, we gave it a new roof and a complete facelift. Truthfully, it looks like a completely different tiny house, but I love it. I think it looks incredible. Here's the wind. Oh, it's windy. That's some cold wind. Ever since we redid the tiny house, we have yet to take it out camping. I have no idea if all that time, money, and effort that I put into the tiny house actually paid off, because we haven't taken it out in a wind or a rainstorm just yet. And today is the perfect weather to check to see if all my hard work paid off and if the tiny house is officially waterproof, and we'll have no more future headaches of getting water damage. Hopefully no more of that. We'll find out tonight. It is very, very wet out, so let's hop in the car, grab Skye, hit the road. I have a lot of cool, fun stuff planned in the fall theme of things today that I'm really excited about, so come along with. Let's see what we can make happen out on this beautiful camping day. Tiny house, please don't let me down. It's been under this beautiful tarp, so I have no idea if it's waterproof, because my brother and I built this tarp together so the tiny house can't get wet or snowed in, which is awesome, but I have no idea if it's waterproof. Oh, perfect. Wow, this is a sick spot. Good. Yeah, I know that's what you want. Skye. Something about a wet, soggy dog is so funny to me. Anyways, pouring rain out. Let me show you what we got in store for tonight, because I'm beyond excited. I got a couple of very fall-like activities, you know, a little festive today. This might not have been my smartest purchase of the year, per se. Yeah. This thing is a personal deep fryer. Tonight, we're making quite possibly the most well-known recipe I've ever made on this channel. When I first made it, everyone in the comments was raving about it, and I haven't done it in a really long time, so 'tis the season. We're getting into the spirit and the holiday, so I guess now is there's no better time. This is like the little deep fryer basket thingy. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's super, super light, but you got 225, 275, 325, and 375. We're going for 275. Probably not hot enough, but I'm terrified, so who cares? I'm about to show you guys, if you haven't seen it, the absolute best way to make donuts at home. Up in my region, New England, a very, very famous thing is apple cider donuts. Apple cider donuts this time of year you can't go wrong. Ingredient number one, the little Pillsbury dough biscuit stuff, which I absolutely hate opening because it's so scary. Every time. All right, we're going to 325. Gonna read the instructions. Super easy. You just put a little hole. Oh yeah, that is not hot enough. It's like slowly starting to boil, but I definitely put it in too early. Add a little bit of cane sugar. And then add some apple pie spice. hot off the the air fryer, deep fryer, whatever. Hit it with all of this. This is when it's gonna stick the best. Donut a day keeps the doctor away. So easy to do. All you gotta do is put a hole in it just so it like looks like a donut. Drop it in your basket. That is so sick. This thing is so cool. Okay. Yeah, these came out absolutely incredible. This is probably the best I've ever done when it comes to making this recipe. Yeah, the first time was pretty good. The second time I don't think was very good in Colorado, but third time's a charm. We nailed it. Really, anyone can make this. Last time I made it, you guys raved about how you either did it with your kids or your nephews or nieces, whatever, and you just shared the recipe with people, which I found so cool. Realistically, you only need like 3 or 4 ingredients. You got the oil, the biscuits, and then you need cinnamon and sugar. Obviously we're doing like a fall theme, so we did apple pie, or you could do pumpkin spice. Really just make sure it's sugar and then something else, whether that be again pumpkin pie, cinnamon, or apple spice. They're still really hot, so I'm using a fork and a knife. Don't judge. Oh my god, that one was cooked perfect. Okay, this one was cooked absolutely to perfection. That one I believe was the second one we made. She's a sleepy dog today. You guys won't be seeing much energy out of her. She's been hanging out with my brother's dog all day. My brother's dog, she's got energy, and then Skye tries keeping up, and then Skye gets exhausted because she's much older. One thing I love about these pumpkins is these books. They come with little pumpkin designs to like sketch, and I think that's so cool. I decided to do a little bit of a time lapse because cleaning out a pumpkin can take a very long time, and I can say that just took me 15 minutes, which might not seem like a lot, but it kind of is. They don't have any. I just hyped up this entire book and they don't even have like one normal one. They're all too advanced. Not to be basic, but I'm just gonna do like hold on, let me look it up. I'll show you which one I'm having in my brain to do. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to wake you. She's the cutest dog I've ever seen in my life. Her little snores right after I tell you guys how exhausted she is, and she starts snoring. Maybe you guys can see that one. I think I gotta turn my brightness all the way down. There you go. Yeah, that. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Halloween. I know this video is most likely coming out after Halloween, but Halloween's a scary holiday. People do a lot of dumb things. So be safe, be smart, use your good judgment that I know you have, and enjoy my beautiful pumpkin. Honestly, not my worst. My best? Not really. This bed is so squeaky. It's not even the bed, it's a mattress, like rubbing on the wood. Anyways, nonetheless, we've been in the tiny house for quite a while now. We're going on like 4 hours. There's no sign of water coming through. Not a single sign of water getting in everywhere. I just went around with the flashlight, like went like this and looked at everything. Not a single piece of wood That makes me really, really happy. And it did rain really heavily earlier. I wish I came out like earlier in the day, but I obviously don't have my truck. I don't know how much you guys know, if you saw my Instagram story or the last video, or if I posted that video yet. I have no idea, but my truck's been in the shop, so I'm using my dad's truck or car. Shout out Dad. Everyone spam in the comments, thank you Mike, because without my father's car, wouldn't be out camping tonight. So massive shout out to him for letting me take his vehicle out. Promise I'm taking good care of it. Yeah, the sun's setting pretty soon. The sun sets at like 6 o'clock now. I fell asleep last night around 7:38. Couldn't imagine that I won't be doing that again because I'm already so beat. So beat.
Whoa. Is that supposed to be a book of spells?
No.
Just pretend, right?
Well, sure.
It's been so nice, relaxing, and hanging out with Skye. You can't see her. Oh. Hi, Skye. You okay? You tired? She's like, yeah, Mom. I've been watching Halloween Town, and, well, first I started off on YouTube watching a bunch of videos. Now I'm like 15 minutes into Halloween Town 2. Figured I'd continue this little, Halloween vibe we have going on. It was supposed to be more so like fall camping, but after I did the pumpkin, just really wanted to also watch a Halloween movie. I don't know, it's raining, it just feels fitting. I love you guys. I'm tired. I'm hitting the hay. So far, I'm really digging this nice little spot. You can kind of hear the highway, which sucks, but nonetheless, she's sleepy. Look at her. She's done. I'll see you in the morning. Skye, I think you're so pretty. Even when it's dark. Your beauty radiates. Alright, good night. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Oh. Skye made me sleep on the edge last night. You want to get down? I think she woke me up because she definitely needs to go to the bathroom. Okay, ready? Come here. Oh, Superman. Oh. Sleep was pretty good. I definitely got a little cold, but... Alright, are you gonna pee yourself? Go potty. Ow.
Oh, good morning. Oh, good morning. You're not a sleepy girl now. You've been sleepy this whole video. That's okay.
Fall's here. It's like 40 something out this morning. Feels good though. I'm definitely happy about it, but hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. Honestly, a lot went up, you know? We did a lot. Carved a pumpkin, air fryer thingy, not air fryer. Why do I keep saying air fryer to myself? Oil fryer basket thingy. It's too early. We didn't go fishing in this episode. There was nowhere to really fish nearby, so it was kind of hard. Come here. Go. Good girl. Sun. That sun is insane this morning. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's episode. Keep you guys posted as always with my truck and what's going on, but I really have no idea. Never knew I would miss my truck. Distance grows the heart fonder, or whatever that term is. Anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Skye loves and appreciate you guys because she likes hanging out with us, I think. I think she enjoys it a lot. I don't know what I'm even talking about right now. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go get some coffee, and I don't really like coffee. I'm gonna go do it because it'll wake me up. Skye, you want coffee? That's a joke. She's so pretty. Okay, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for everything. Skye and I will catch you on the next one.